You know what time it is? It's time to win with your boy EyeImposter and the Seyelent Assassin. EyeImposter
and the Seyelent Assassin presents
funniest videos.
What intonation?
I knew I should have buried that.
Palla tagliata, messa fuori, c'è Pirlo, ancora Pirlo di tetto, tiro,
Go, 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 go. Next time, I'm gonna wax you. You know I love you. I thought you were a hot dog.
We will meet one of the first mayors to put such a program in place. How's it going so far? I'm looking for my clients and his account.
He should win an Emmy for that. Maybe it should be a doggy back, not a piggyback. Was that Ed Sheeran?
What the? Yo, this guy's.
Quit hiding behind the grass.
Hello? Hello? Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh!
Round one, fight. Scary piano.
Eat, Coco. Eat.
Next time, just give me a fork and knife. Gesundheit. You bathe me, I bathe you. All that chocolate came to waste! Watch these animals parkour.
Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ting, tang, walla, walla, bang, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ting, tang, walla, walla, bang, bang.
This cage is not big enough for the two of us. Big baby. Is that Clifford, the big red dog? That cat should be in the NFL with that tackle.
Holy.
Glass can't hold me.
Demi, you need to shoot the arrow. I really want it. He's gone! Look! He's gone!
What a silly pup.
Oh, my mother had a rabbit and she thought it was a duck, so she sat it on the table with its arse turned up, and upon my heart and upon my soul, have you ever seen a rabbit with a duck's arse hole?
Like a duck's butthole. wishes he was working a popsicle.
If you like to see us win, subscribe to the EyeImposter and Seyelent Assassin.